Take full control with the touch command display panels in the rear doors of your BMW 7 and i7. The touch displays control all relevant passenger functions and the rear seat entertainment system. Here's how to adjust climate and seating with the touch command. By pressing plus or minus, set the desired temperature for the rear zone of the intelligent automatic climate control. Or enter the climate menu to adjust airflow, ventilation, seat heating, or seat ventilation individually for the left or right rear seat. You can also deactivate air conditioning in your vehicle zone. Get comfortable. Select Seats to make adjustments. Again, individually for both rear seats. You can save 2 seating positions and select the Relax position for the Executive Lounge rear seat. Under Massage, you can choose different seat massage programs and turn them on or off. Seat Climate Control is another way to enter the climate control menu for your rear seats. The Home button always takes you back to the function overview. In the 7 and i7, the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant is also there for the rear seat passengers.
Hey BMW, turn on the seat heating.
I will activate the seat heating for the rear right seat.
Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.